So here is how you can add the VPN manually on your Android. Let me talk about it and explain it. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so in order to add it manually, you can open up the settings app, and as you are on the main page, you can click on the connections, which is literally the first menu at the top, and proceed to the more connection settings. When you click here, you can see some stuff, right? But VPN should be one of the menus in there. So when you click on a VPN like this, you can see that for me, I don't have anything active. And in order to add it manually, I can tap on the three dots in the top right and add a VPN profile. And when I click on this, I need to fill out all of the details about the profile in the VPN, which I'm trying to connect to. So I need to give it a name. I need to choose the type. I need to give it the address and identifier, and it's of course the stuff which I need to have ready before I even do this. So if I want to connect to a VPN manually, I need to have that ready so I can type it all in. That's why the VPN apps are much more popular, because instead of going through all of this when you download a VPN app of your choice from the Play Store, it's gonna basically add the profile in here automatically. So you just confirm it and like give it permission to, but you don't have to worry about all of these little numbers and the identifiers and everything. So it makes it a lot easier. But if you know what you're doing and if you're connecting to a VPN server, then you can as well approach this manually and just add it to your phone. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. I'm gonna wrap it up. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later in the future videos.